Hi, welcome to the Easy Life channel. We are a Singaporean couple sharing some snippets of our life. Today we'll be introducing you a new boutique hotel in Bali, Seminyak, the Mysa Boutique Hotel. The Mediterranean-inspired hotel was only newly opened this year in March, and we were so lucky to chance upon this hotel on booking.com. This 4-star hotel offers 24 hours concierge service via WhatsApp and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. The cozy boutique hotel has an outdoor pool, co-working space, and nooks to chill in. It is located around 3 kilometers away from Seminyak Beach, but restaurants like Nooks and Naughty Nui are within 20 minutes walking distance. On the first level, there is a reasonably sized pool where you could take a dip in. There is also a cafe on the first level where they serve breakfast in the morning, and this was our complimentary breakfast on our first day. There are lots of Instagrammable photo spots in the hotel. On the third level of the hotel, there is a communal space where you can gather with your friends and families to chill in. It is very spacious and there are many working electric points for you to work remotely. There is also a water dispenser here for you to fill up the bottles and quench your thirst. This is the view which overlooks the hotel, and there's even a nook at the corner of level 2 where you can relax and enjoy the view of the hotel. This is how Mysa looks at night. Charming and cozy. I love how they have sun chairs where you can chill after a long day exploring Bali. As you can see, there are a total of 10 rooms on both level 1 and 2. Level 1 rooms are the signature pool rooms and are slightly costly as it has a direct pool access. We chose to stay in the signature bliss rooms on level 2 as we were out enjoying Bali during the day. Now let's take a look at the signature bliss room. The room is very spacious, about 30 meters square. The interior of the room was beautifully curated and there was no lack of space. There's even a couch for us to laze on. This is the working desk and there's a TV. And here is our mini bar corner. I love this little ornament here. I also really appreciate the spacious wardrobe area where we can unpack our clothes and knickknacks. This is the vanity. And here's the bathroom with a rain shower. Overall, the place is very clean because it is very new. Overall, our stay here in Mysa was amazing and we loved it. It's located quite a distance away from the city center, but it's a quiet place. Overall, we give 8.5 out of 10 and it's very suitable for young couples. Hope you enjoy our video, and if you did, do like and subscribe to our channel. Till then, and see you again. Bye bye.